Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Harry Potter video. You guys loved the Gryffindor Harry Potter one, so I thought I would do a Slytherin one, and I will probably be doing the rest of the houses as well. I thought Slytherin next because so many of you guys are like messaging me saying I'm a Slytherin, do Slytherin, yeah. So I thought I will, and this is it. I've even got my Slytherin scarf and the snake earrings, which are amazing. Yeah, you know, I'm like in my element right here. If you guys want to see how I did this Slytherin inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, so for primer, I'm going to start with... And I'm going to grab the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This one's got heaps of vitamin C in it, super glowy, super nice on the skin. So we're going to go in with this one. This stuff smells so good. Oh my god, it's amazing. Do you guys like my shirt, by the way? You can't see it in the camera, but it is literally... It is Drake, and it says Draco Malfoy, and he's wearing like Slytherin robes and shit. Like, literally the two, like my two favorite things ever, Harry Potter and Drake. So, okay, and for foundation, I'm gonna grab my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Butter Pecan. I'm gonna pop a bit of that on my hand and blend it in with my Beauty Blender. This one's just from Tarte. It's so soft, it's so good. And I'm going to grab a concealer, so I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light and pop that on and then blend it out with my Beauty Blender. And I always carve out my nose, so I bring the concealer up on my nose right here, and just before it flares out, I go in there. Just gives a really easy way to contour your nose. And I'm going to set that in place with my Huda Beauty setting powder. This one is the Easy Bake Loose setting powder in the shade Pound Cake. So I'm going to set all of that concealer in place. And I'm just using a Real Techniques Duo Fiber Contour Brush. It's just a really nice flat Duo Fiber brush to set the under eyes with. And I'm going to contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I think this is just like the first one. I can never remember. And I'm just going to take the 3 shades on the bottom. I'm just like mixing the 3 on my Bare Minerals Blooming Blush Brush. It's just a really nice fluffy angle brush. This is my favorite for contouring with because it's not too... Just starting on my forehead in the hairline. Just really blending it into the hairline. I don't want too much bronzing as much as contouring. I don't want to go too much in, just a subtle bit of shading for my 5 head. Alright, and for blush, I'm just going to grab the MAC Pinch Me blush. This one's one of my favorites. It's so pretty. Nice and peachy. Nothing too crazy. I have a stupid little baby hair that's flicked up. Please ignore that. But yeah, very cute blush. And I'm just going to pop that on with my Sigma F10 brush. A light dusting on my cheeks. You guys know I don't like a lot of blush. Sorry guys, I had to go get a snack and I am eating strawberries. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. I don't know about you guys, but all the strawberries that I have been buying lately have been like super sized. Like the size of a fucking peach. Anyone else? Getting giant ass strawberries here in Brisbane, like, what the fuck? I'm not complaining, but like, a bit weird, you know. Anyway, for highlight, I'm gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This one is the Sun Dipped. I haven't actually used this before, so this is literally like a freshie. But I am going to use the color Summer mixed with Moonstone. So these two here look really, really nice. And I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush, like always. Woo. Am I the only one who just gets constantly super excited about a really nice highlighter? Like, every time I put a highlighter on, I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, damn. And it definitely like picks up way better on camera because of all the lights and everything. Because it does look more subtle in real life, which is good. That's what we want. Like a bomb ass highlight, but that doesn't look too intense. I think my goal in life is to look like Tin Man. Alright, I'm just going to do my brows. I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This one is in the shade Medium Brown. So just brushing through, feathering it out. I need to give my tail the most amount of love because it's kind of non-existent. Just give them a blend with the brush. Just making sure there's no harsh lines. Got one bald patch right here that I... And then I'm going to put a bit of a brow gel through. So I'm going to grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in the shade... It's rubbed off. I think this is soft brunette, soft brown, I think. I'm 99% sure. Mine has been very well loved and I haven't even had it that long, but I just am obsessed with it. So I'm going to get a new one very soon. And for eyeshadow, I seem to be going with all ABH today, but I'm going to grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette because this has all the sort of the two greeny shades that I really want to use that are very like Slytherin sort of colors. So I thought that would be pretty appropriate. I went through most of my eyeshadows and I don't have that many greens. I'm like, how? How do I not have that many? So I've made it a little mental note in my head to actually get some more green eyeshadow because I actually love green. Like green's such a nice color. I think I have like two other sort of green colors. One's an Inglot one and one's in the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. But they're two like neon lime green, which isn't really how I would go with Slytherin. So Subculture is a very good choice. All of my brushes are ready to be washed, so I'm kind of like, I got nothing left. Alright, so the first shade in the palette I'm going to grab is going to be Destiny, which is this like pale sort of olivey sort of shade, and we can use that as the transition for the crease. And I'm just using my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm just going to start blending this into the crease. definitely came off way darker and grayer than I meant it to, but we'll just keep blending and then it'll be fine. It'll work. Oh my god, this dog is gonna drive me nuts. I love all animals and I love dogs especially, but shut the fuck up. My boss is like so not fazed by it. He's just like, shut up. Okay, so now that that's all blended in, I am going to pick up the shade Untamed. This one, right there. And I'm just going to use my Zoeva 225 brush. Really nice little blending brush. And I'm going to pop this just in the outer corner here. And then doing the other eye. And then I'm going to bring it in the inner corner as well. And then I'm going to take the shade Axis, this one right here in the corner, with my Luxie 121, really teeny tiny tapered brush. And alright, I'm just going to put that in the very, very, very corner. Just to give a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to use that same Luxie brush and pick up the same Untamed shade. And I'm going to smoke out the bottom outer corner and the bottom inner corner. I'm just going to grab the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, which is just a really nice silver. And I'm going to pop this on the center of the halo eye, just to give that silvery look. So I'm just patting it on, not being too precise with it. And then really just getting my finger to blend anything in. And I'm just going to bring it down underneath as well. I'm going to bring it quite far down. And I'm just taking my finger. And just to make sure it's all blended, I'm going to grab that Luxie brush again with no new colours, no new product on it. And I'm just making sure the edges are feathered out. I kind of worry about these liquid eyeshadows because I feel like when I put them on, it kind of burns my eyes a little bit. I haven't worn them in like a while, so I don't know. Alright, now I'm just going to do a wing with my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in the black shade. I am just going to do that off camera because otherwise this video is too long and you guys have seen my wing before, so I'll be back. Alright, so I just did my wing and my like eyeliner and tightline and stuff as well, and now I'm going to put mascara on before I put my fake lashes on. And I'm just going to grab the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and I'm going to pop a coat of this on. And for false lashes, I'm going to use the House of Lashes Iconic. These are everything. So I'm going to pop these on. I'm going to do this off camera as well. You guys have seen it all before. It is just so time consuming. So I don't want you guys to be sitting here forever. Yeah. So I'm just going to whack these bad boys on. Alright. Now the lashes are on and they look so good because Iconics are the best. I am going to put a lipstick on and I'm going to grab the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Silver Fox, which is really cool, like grey sort of colour. I love the smell of these. I don't know why, they smell so good. Right, so I just got my SLYTHERIN scarf and some snake earrings. I really love these. I was gonna get them in silver because obviously silver goes a bit better, but I figured I don't really wear silver at all. Like all of my jewelry is like gold, gold, everything like that. The only thing silver I wear is this ring that I got for my birthday. Yeah, what do you guys think? I actually am super happy with this. Please excuse my phone going off. This series is so fun for me. Like, I'm so happy. I even changed it to a black shirt just so it fit a little bit better. And my shirt is a Harry Potter one too, which I got from, I think, Cotton On. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I've still got 2 more houses to do, so I will be doing Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. I'll probably do Ravenclaw next because I have lots of blues that I want to use and stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!